Manipulating the cylinder on a main entrance door, or bumping, is a common form of gaining access to a property. Fortunately, it's a simple DIY job to upgrade to a secure cylinder that clearly shows the BS kite mark and 1-star symbol. To further enhance security and provide a visual deterrent, you may also wish to fit a security handle, which completely eliminates the risk of your cylinder being compromised. A video demonstrating this can be found in the How-To section of the website. Before you start, you should also read the download called How to Choose Your Cylinder, which shows you how to ensure you purchase the correct size cylinder for your property. You will need a screwdriver for this job. We have already removed the existing handle to clearly show the process, but to change the cylinder, the existing handle can stay in place. Place your key in the cylinder. Remove the retaining screw that holds the cylinder in place from the side of the door. Turn the key a quarter turn left or right and pull towards you, removing the cylinder from the door. Check the new cylinder is the correct size and clearly shows the BS Kite Mark logo. Then simply take the cylinder and place it into the door. Use the key to ensure the central cam is aligned with the lock. Replace the retaining screw in the frame. To check the operation, close the door and lift the handle to throw the locking bolts, then turn the key to secure.